How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Hbar update. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment underneath this video. I'm going to take you over to my Twitter. I already made some posts earlier today on Hbar as well as on the YouTube. I created a post, but we can navigate down to it right now. Let me just find it for you guys. Yeah, so here was some results from some students, but let's find that Hbar thing. Here we go. Hbar target now met. Correction back down to the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. So could be right over here or this one over here. We're going to look into that today. But make sure you're following me. Louis_crypto is linked in the description and pinned comment section below already for you guys. But essentially what we were saying in the last Hbar update is now that we've met this target, what we now need to see is the 1 fib level confirmed as support. If this now fails to hold, we've got one more chance of finding support before we do continue lower. So we need to find support on those moving averages to then flip that golden pocket back up into support to then head up to our range high at above 7.5 cents. So that is what we could be looking forward to for Hbar going forward. And this was on the daily time frame. So we're looking at daily candle closes confirming all of those levels that I just mentioned. So right now here, the 1 fib level at 5393. We are yet to test it. So as we are now bouncing from here, it looks like this is holding a support. Let's now scale to the lower time frames. I guess it will suggest that there's at least a short-term layer of support over here. Yeah, which so happens to be on that 20 EMA. So I'm looking at this being resistance 5811. So you need to break through that to then head higher. So what I'm trying to get from this is, while still beneath, well, let me just check the actual price. 579. Okay. It's 5799, but let's say 58. So price now needs to reclaim 58. So getting up to there is not good enough. That means we will continue lower eventually. So it's about getting above it, past it and through. So you can see that 786 fib as well. We need to break past that point for the continuation. Okay, that would be a break on the daily time frame of that 200 EMA, and only then will we have a go at breaking past that point. This is our resistance. So even though we're short-term bouncing right now, as I mentioned, you could just be bouncing into that location. This is resistance. That is not good enough. Then we will come back down lower to that 1 Fibonacci, which is this inverse head and shoulders neckline, which I gave you and we met the pattern's target out of. So many weeks ago, if you've been tuning in since down here, I gave this whole entire move into the golden pocket, and that has been met exactly. So if you profited along with us, incredible. We were actually saying that we'd get up there even before coming down into the 1414. So if you entered off the 1414 and you took it to the 65 or the 618, doesn't matter, this would have been a move of about anywhere between 32-33%, totally given free here on the channel. Now if you were here but didn't actually profit along, and if you didn't see the call or manage to understand that there's a call, then consider taking action on my course. The education is very good. There's over 100 plus students from the past. And as I've shown you just very briefly over here, we have Dipserino. Of course, that's not his real name. But look at the profits that he's had on Waves, Gala, Doge, Quant. I can't see what this one is though. But this is absolutely insane. This is life-changing, guys. So if you want to do similar things, just private message me over here on my Twitter. Or you can just take action through those links without talking to me. It's completely down to you. Just navigate yourself to either join the private Discord or the course and mentorship, which will gain you access totally for free in the Discord community for 3 months. And after that point, this will no longer be 20, it will be 10. So you get a 50% discount. Whether you leave and want to join back, that still applies. So going back over to Hbar, just to end off this video today, the lowest that we can afford to go to if we want to eventually see a break of this point is this other inverse head and shoulders, the much larger one, which was the pattern that sent us up here in the first place, the first ever one. So yeah, the neckline is right there. We've just formed a daily bullish cross, so an incredible signal over here from Hbar. Essentially, after pumping into key levels of resistance, being the golden pocket as well as this 200 EMA, and confirm it as resistance, for me it signals it's time to start to dump. Even if we short-term bounce, as I mentioned on the lower time frames as well as the daily time frame, it could just be a short-term corrective bounce to then continue lower. Really and truly, as the golden pocket was reclaimed, not reclaimed, as we ran into the golden pocket, as the 1 fib level was reclaimed and ran into the golden pocket, the 1 fib level does need to hold a support, in my personal opinion. But because this is the rule of the Fibonacci's, but we can see that the moving averages are also down here. So it might be a certain scenario that I don't think I've seen in my 4 or 5 years, or I just haven't picked it up, because usually I'm just going on off the fib rules, which is now we've reclaimed the 1 fib level and invalidated all this downside over here by reclaiming the 1 fib level. What we're now trying to do is reclaim this to go on the original path, because how the hell did I get these fibs? I'm not saying that like I'm clueless. I'm saying it as if like you're questioning me. Where the hell did I get these fibs from? It's from this point to this point, and so I'm measuring this push to find where am I retracing down to, which is this area over here, and then from here we should continue higher. So what I nearly said quant. What Hbar is now trying to do is form this bullish pattern after meeting the bearish target, and I gave you the buy from here and from here exactly. Wow, absolutely incredible, and it's all for free as well. It's crazy. But and yeah, I still can't get you guys to like, comment and subscribe. It is nuts out here, but that is just how the world works, unfortunately. And so essentially what the path that it's trying to take is, with this bullish pattern, invalidate all this further downside to 3.5 cent and whatnot by holding this as support, running into the golden pocket, confirming the 1 fib level support, flipping that back into support over here, the golden pocket, and then heading up to our range high. That is it from me today. Please do like, subscribe and comment religiously, absolutely every single day. Shouldn't need to ask you guys. Yeah, but anyways, thank you again. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and as always, peace. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You'll gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.